Hi, welcome back. My name is Slava, and today I will share with you a few ideas of what to have for breakfast. And one of them is an omelette with some radishes and garlic chives. When I thin my radishes, I don't throw them away and use both tops and roots. After cooking chopped herbs for a couple of minutes, I pour my beaten eggs and cover it up for just a minute or two. And then I roll it up and enjoy my omelette. Usually for breakfast I have either coffee or tea. My favorite coffee is this espresso from Trader Joe's, and I like to cook it in an Italian mocha pot. As a true millennial, I like to have an avocado toast, and I like to pair an avocado together with some cherry tomatoes. I think their flavors combine really well together. Another thing I like to have for breakfast sometimes is oatmeal. I grew up eating oatmeal and for a while didn't want to even look at it. But then later I started missing that in my life. So I like to have it with an herbal tea, and I cook my oatmeal with raisins and walnuts. And in the end I like to add some milk. I also love some farmer's cheese with a homemade cherry jam. They taste so good together. Farmer's cheese is similar to cottage cheese. It has probiotics, beneficial bacteria that are so good for our gut. One thing that is not so good for us, but I do love it, is a toast with my favorite butter and a homemade jam. This is an occasional treat, but so much needed. How about you? What do you like having for breakfast? Let me know in the comments below.